In this Tribe Engine review, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Google Drive, Dropbox, Amazon S3 storage in order to create a profitable membership site that you can use to give away products or even sell them to make money for yourself or even for clients. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Tribe Engine, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. Got a ton of special bonuses for you, including some past software that's recently launched. All of these are going to be waiting for you inside of JVZoo after you purchase. Let's look at the sales page here together. It says now you too can instantly turn your Google Drive, Dropbox, or S3 into a reoccurring profit machine in less than 59 seconds. Monetize your every video passion idea with the quickest, no stress membership site builder ever. And it really is simple to use. Essentially, all you do is you connect your Dropbox or your Amazon S3 or your Google Drive to it. You can take your files and your videos and stuff that you have in there and put them into the software automatically and create membership sites from that. So it's a really great way of monetizing. If you've got PLR rights to stuff, if you made your own products, if you've got resale rights to stuff, you can deliver that. You can lock things down. You can deliver things freely. You can build your email list, all with an easy to use membership platform. It's fully responsive, really easy to set up. You can set it up in under a minute. I'm going to show you a demo on how to set one up in under a minute. Also, 20 autoresponders are integrated with G Drive, Dropbox, S3. No extra cost or effort, so you can profit for free from your Google Drive, Dropbox, and Amazon S3. You don't need any expensive hosting. There's no admin really required for this. You can get paid for your stuff. You can do drip feed content, lock premium content behind a paywall, and there's no reoccurring fees for this. It's a one-time cost when you pick this up during the launch period. They say here that this has already helped them make over $500,000 online so far. If they've done that, then they have been putting all of their, yeah, it looks like they've been putting all their memberships into the platform. So that's good. They're actually using their platform. I like to see that. I know Mosh sells a lot of stuff online. And if he's using this, then that's great. He's actually created something for himself. So it says here, you just set up your autoresponder, your additional videos. You just set it up automatically. You create a landing page or sales page with a built-in builder. Then you add in your payment processor if you're going to be selling them. Now, you can give them away for free, or you can sell them to customers as well. They've been able to make 144,000 revenue over the past 12 months using Tribe Engine, so that's pretty cool. He's actually using it himself here, which is, again, nice to see a product creator actually use their own products. Anyone can use this, whether you are a software product launcher, info product launcher, influencer, online service provider, fan sites, anyone with a passion or interest. You just, again, you select your drive here. You just add in your products, and then you can set up to sell really quickly. If you've ever tried setting up any kind of other membership site platforms before, you know how much of a pain it can be to set these up. This is aimed to make it really simple to set this up with, and it's a one-time price. So that's the front end offer here. Let's go over to the back end area. I'm going to show you an actual site. I'm going to show you the back end area and then a really quick 1-minute here's here's an actual example of a really quick example of a site. You can see here it's just very simple. You just make it and put your videos on here. Your videos will load up on here into the actual platform. Come up here, automatically play. We've got this one right here. Try like getting started. Like you could have little tutorial videos here. And you could give these away for lead magnets, or you can sell them, put all your different products in here. People can download the videos if they want to. You can have access to fully customize that how you want it to be. The backend area here, you've got your dashboard, where you can see like your revenue, your sales, your users, your teams. You can set up your different funnels in here, add in your products. You can import those products in from like your Google Drive server, your Dropbox server. You've got your file hosting, autoresponders, transactional emails, all that, etc. here. I'm going to play you a really quick demo. Mosh does a better job of explaining it than I could. So let me play that for you and I'll be back to show you the OTOs.
First, go to your file hosting section and connect your Dropbox on Google Drive or Amazon S3. First, go to Products, Import Product, select Dropbox, select Account, Folder, from Folder, select Files, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and click Import. Now all the products are imported. Now I'm going to create a funnel. I'll click the green button, Create New Funnel, Name, Tagline, Create Funnel. We will skip to the domain and access and create a public access. And as you can see, there is no content in the funnel. But as soon as we go to the products and add our product, 1, 4, click bonus available, click add product, and products are ready. Now go to the members area, and yes, your members area is ready. Now you can play the products or you can download them.
Okay, so for the first upgrade, you're going to see it's going to give you unlimited members, unlimited sites, and unlimited profits for this. So no limitations on this. So if you want to unlock the unlimited access to this, unlimited custom domains, unlimited subdomains, on the front end, apparently there is a limit on that. They don't make that clear here on how much that limit is. I'm guessing that they make that clear inside the sales video here. But anyways, it will remove all those limits. It gives you 15 more stunning templates, automatic social proof, automatic software license delivery, automatic information product delivery, live chat support system with automation, all that included for this offer here. There we go. There's the price of it. So that's the first one. The next one here says, be ready to profit from your brand new membership sites in the next few minutes with over 100 all done for you top quality niche courses ready to sell. So if you're saying to yourself, I'd love to use this, but I don't have any courses to sell, well, you can get them all done for you. All these different courses that you can use, and you can sell these and put them into your software and sell them. So that's that one. And then the last one here, here's the last one. It's get full white label rights to sell this. You can sell the entire system under your own brand, your own logo, your own custom domain name, and keep 100% of the profits for the entire thing. So you get to, like, I could make it like Mike from Maine membership site here and sell this. So this has two different options here. There's one that is a full payment, or you can do a split pay here. It's going to be more expensive if you do the split pay, so it's going to be cheaper if you get the one-time price for this as well. So that's it. Of course, all these are optional. Pick and choose which ones you want. Okay, so what do I like about Tribe Engine and what don't I like about it? If I say something that I don't like about it, in order to use a software like this, I mean, you're going to want to have people to give it away to. You need traffic, but the nice thing about this is you can also give them away for free. You could post them on different Facebook groups, give away stuff. You're not selling anything. You could just give them away, brand yourself out there. You can create bonuses for different affiliate offers that you do, and you can use it essentially how you want to in your business. But the only negative there is that it's a little hard to get started if you don't have an audience, but you can use this to build one as well. What do I like about it? Really easy to use. I love the fact that you're using all these different cloud storage platforms in order to host your products. A lot of people, they don't know how to host their stuff, but now you can do it with that. If you're someone that's looking to build your business, you want to build your email list, you want to build your following, you want to give away free stuff, or you want to sell it, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Tribe Engine review. If you want to check out Tribe Engine, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.